Once again, Terra Classic is almost hitting 1 trillion coins being traded today, and I'm happy to see that Terra Classic within the past 24 hours about 762 billion 962 million 590,168 LUNC coins is being traded, and this is about 73,673,251. The trading volume hit 81% within the past 1 day. Terra Classic trading volume increases by price, and most of this increasement is based on people are buying more of these coins, and about 81% more than usual, 81% more than the past 2 days. Okay, so I'm happy because I remember it was about between 27 to 33 million dollars trading volume within 24 hours, and now about over 73 million dollars. So this is good to see. Terra Classic, I mean, over 700 billion coins has been traded. Now, by the time you calculate the 1.2% tax bond that will be charged on this 762 billion 962 million 590,168 Terra Classic coin as of the time of recording this, you see that we are going to burn a lot of coins. Okay, yes, millions of Terra Classic today will be burned by the tax bond. Okay, whether you're buying, whether you're selling, remember this tax bond must take place. This tax bond must be charged. And I'm happy because most of these charges still coming from Binance, and of course over 55% to 60% of LUNC trading volume is being traded on Binance also. Okay, so and definitely I believe that the burning portals, many of them are really burning Terra Classic, from Binance to DFLUNC, okay, to Crimination to Lunatic burning. I believe they are really burning a lot, and I believe this week we are going to burn more coins, but at least over 762 billion coins of LUNC coins have been traded within the past 24 hours. So this is amazing. I'm happy for this. I'm happy that Terra Classic definitely is going to really bump very soon. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly drop your comment in the comment section below, like our video, share our video. Remember, one day cryptocurrency will definitely put smiles on your face, on my face. So keep investing, but do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. And I believe investing money is how your money will definitely grow. Let's keep pushing, let's keep supporting. Remember, this is not a financial advice, like I said. Once again, thank you for stopping by.